Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to tell you what a business entity is, so stay tuned. So what is a business entity? A business entity is an entity that is formed and administered as per corporate law in order to engage in business activities, charitable work, or other activities allowable. So in layman's terms, if you want to start a business and be legally a business, you need to create a business entity. You need to file your business with your state government in order to make it a legal business entity. This way you can have your profits, your taxes, etc. tracked by the government, and you can be seen as official. So what's the real purpose of starting a business entity? Number one, it protects business owners. Number two, it saves you on taxes. Number three, it provides certainty and structure to business operations. And number four, it provides a professional image to customers and the general public. So what benefits can you gain from starting a business entity? You can secure your assets and get tax breaks. So this goes back to securing your taxes. If you have tons of business debts and you file as a business and your business doesn't work out, if you incorporate it correctly, you personally won't be liable for those debts. So they won't take your personal assets. They'll just dissolve the business. Creditors won't be able to pursue your home and your car and be able to take that from you. Also, when you incorporate, you get a ton of tax advantages. You can write things off, such as health insurance premiums. You also have to pay less taxes than if you were just self-employed. Incorporating your business also helps you grow now and for the future. Incorporating boosts your credibility. It can help you reach new partners and customers. And even beyond your lifetime, your corporation will still exist. You can have easy transfer and faster funding. Transferring the ownership of a corporation is a lot easier. Capital can be raised more easily through the sale of stock. Incorporating can also prepare you for retirement. Retirement funds and qualified plans like 401k can be easier to establish. If you want to learn how to make 6 to 7 figures online by creating a business entity, then click below in my description. I will outline the link for you. I hope this video helped you to understand more about what business entities are, and I can't wait for you to start your own business entity. If you want more videos on business entities, say yes in the comments below. I'd love to do that. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.